Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 2.2. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 2.2. First question, write each of the following percentage as decimal. Listen, they given the percentage. We have to change into decimal. Listen, first step, 21 percentage means out of 100. We know that very well. It is a fraction. Now decimal, have to change into decimal. Here write the numerator. How many zeros are there in denominator? 2 zeros, 2. So 2 digit before we have to keep the point. So 0.21 is the answer. Next one, listen. Percentage means we know that out of 100, so write down 93.1 divided by 100. Here in numerator there is decimal, so change into, first convert into whole numbers. How will you convert that? After the decimal point, one digit there, so multiply with 10 and divided by 10. We get 93.1 into 10 means 931 divided by 100 into 10, 1000. Now listen, write down the numerator and 3 zeros are there in denominator, so 3 digit before we have to keep the point, so 0.931 is the answer. Next one, 151 percentage. 151 divided by 100, that is the meaning for percentage. So listen, what's the answer? In decimal, write down the number. In denominator 2 zeros is there, so before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means 1.51 is the answer. Listen the next one, 65 percentage, that means 65 by 100. Answer, write down 65, that is whole number. No, here 2 zeros, before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means 0.65 is the answer. Listen, 0.64 percentage, write down first 0.64 divided by percentage means 100. Now we have to change the numerator as whole number. Here decimal, no, so after the decimal point 2 digits is there, so we have to multiply with 100. 2 digit means multiply with 100 with numerator and denominator also. 0.64 into 100 means we get 64 divided by 100 into 100, 10,000. Now listen, answer, how will you write the answer? 64 only is there, but in denominator 4 digits is there. So 1, 2, put 0 for 3 and 4 digits. So 4 digits before we have to point, keep the point, means 0.0064 is the answer. Second question, convert each of the following decimal as percentage. First question, percentage as decimal, we converted. Here decimal as percentage. So first one, 0.282. Convert into decimal, percentage means multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. First change the this decimal as fraction. So listen, write down the number as it is divided by After the decimal point, how many digits are there? 3. So 1000 divided by 1000 into 100. Now cancel the zeros. Zeros are cancelled. 2 zeros are cancelled. We get 282 divided by 10. Now answer in denominator 10. So before one digit we have to keep the point. So 28.2% is the answer. Next one, 1.51. Listen, 1.51 into 100. Now change the decimal. 151 divided by, after the decimal point 2 digits is there, so 100 into, already 100 is there, so cancel the zeros, means we get answer 151%. That is the answer. Next one, 1.09. First 1.09 into 100. That is the procedure for percentage. Now change the decimal as fraction, that is 109 divided by, after the decimal point 2 digits, so 100 into 100. Now 2 zeros get cancelled, so we get 109%. Now fourth subdivision, 0.71 into 100. Now 0.71 divided by 100 into 100. Now 0 get cancelled, so we get 71%. That is the answer. Next one, 0.858. 0.858 into 100. Now 858 divided by, after the decimal point 3 digits are there, so 1000 into 100. Now 2 zeros get cancelled, we get 858 divided by 10. How will you write the answer? In denominator 10 is there, so one digit before we keep the point, so that is 85.8%. That is the answer. Third sum, in examination of a student scored 75% of marks, represent the given percentage in decimal form. Listen, percentage of student scores. That is 75%. How will you change in decimal form? First change in fraction, that is 75 by 100. Percentage means out of 100. Next, in decimal now. In decimal, listen, write the number. Here in denominator 2 zeros, so before 2 digits we have to keep the point, means 0.75 is the decimal form. Next one, fourth sum, in a village 70.5% people are literate. Express it as a decimal. So percentage of literate people equal to 70.5%. Now in fraction, 70.5 divided by 100. Now in the numerator also it is a decimal, so change into whole numbers, means after the decimal point 1 digit, so multiply with 10 and divided by 10. Now we get 705 divided by 100 into 10, 1000. Now in decimal, write the numerator, denominator 3 zeros. So before 3 digits we have to keep the point. 0.705 is the decimal form. That is the answer. Fifth one, scoring rate of a batsman is 86%. Write his strike rate as decimal. Listen. First, scoring rate of a batsman equal to 86%. In fraction, %, means 86 out of 100. So we have to convert into decimal. In decimal, 86, before 2 digits we have to keep the point because in denominator 2 zeros. So 0.86 is the answer. Next one, sixth sum, the height of a flagpole in a school is 6.75 meter. Express it as percentage. Listen, height of a flagpole equal to 6.75 meter. Change into percentage means multiply with 100. So 6.75 into 100. Here in decimal, so convert into fraction means 675 divided by, after the decimal point 2 digits is there, so put 100 and already into 100 is there. So 2 zeros get cancelled. Answer 675%. In percentage, that is the answer. Seventh sum, the weight of two chemical substances are 20.34 gram and 18.78 gram. Write the difference in percentage. Listen, write down what they given first. Weight of substances, substance 1, S1 equal to 20.34 gram, and weight of substance 2, that is S2 equal to 18.78 grams. Its difference, they ask, its difference means 20.34 minus 18.78. 20.34, 18.78. 4 minus 8 is not possible, so borrow 1 from here. 14 minus 8, 6, here 2, borrow 1 from here means 12, so minus 7, 5, here 9, so 9 minus 8, 1. .56. They ask in percentage. In percentage, 1.56 change into percentage means into 100, but it is in decimal point. So 156 divided by, after the decimal point 2 zeros, sorry 2 digits, so divided by 100 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled, so we get 156%. That is the answer. Eighth sum, find the percentage of shaded region in the following figure. Listen. First, total number of region. how many regions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 regions are there. And number of shaded region. In that, how many number of regions were shaded? 1 is. So 1 is shaded. Now, in fraction, how will you write in fraction? Out of 4 region, 1 region is shaded. So they ask in percentage. In percentage, percentage means we have to multiply with 100. So 1 4 is 4, 25 4s are 100. So what is the answer? 25%. That is the answer. Here exercise 2.2 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next